Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a Dutch oven pizza inspired by Dome Life. They're a camping channel, one of my favorites, so I'll show you my version of it. Alright, we're going to start off with about 2 cups of flour. Already had that pre-measured. We'll do 1 package of dry yeast. We're going to add a little bit of warm water. We'll start off with about 1 cup. You just want a dough consistency. We'll go ahead and add about a tablespoon of olive oil and about a tablespoon of honey. We'll get that stirred up a little bit more, see how it's going to work out. We'll need a little bit more water. Don't want to overdo it and make it mushy. We're trying to get it like a dough ball, like a bread. And if you see the camera going crazy here in a minute, it's because we're being attacked by bees. my camera woman is freaking out. I think that's probably going to do it. Like I said, you want some kind of consistency like that. I haven't made too many homemade pizza doughs, but we'll go with that. Looks pretty good. We'll pour a little bit of olive oil around the sides of it and we'll coat it. Then we'll let it set for about an hour, covered up. Let it do its thing. We'll check back in about an hour, and while we're letting this, we'll go ahead and get our homemade pizza sauce going. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get the toppings ready and get ready to make the sauce while the dough's rising. We're gonna go ahead and saute some onions up to put on the pizza. So we'll do that first, and then we'll saute some garlic and start making the sauce. All right, we got some olive oil in the pan. We're gonna go ahead and get these onions sauteed up first. All right, we're gonna start working on the sauce now. We're gonna put some more oil back in the pan. Then we're gonna throw the garlic in, brown it up a little bit. All right, we got our garlic sauteed down. Dome Life's recipe, they call for one can tomato sauce. I'll pick this up. Man, that's a little hot. Just calm that down a minute. Anyway, it's about a your average can of tomato sauce. We'll get that in there. I got that in, then we're going to do a squeeze of tomato paste. Do a good squeeze of tomato paste in it. And we'll go ahead and throw in our about a tablespoon of honey. And we'll salt and pepper it. All this is to taste, I guess. We're gonna see we're gonna learn. And then we'll work this down. We'll thin this down until it thickens up into more like a tomato, like a pizza sauce. All right, our pizza dough's ready. Our fire's ready. So we're gonna go ahead and make us a pizza. I want to throw out some cornmeal on our parchment paper. Put a little bit of flour. And I forgot to tell y'all a while ago, put salt in your dough. So anyway, here we go. And I didn't bring a roller, so we're just gonna smash it out. And I don't know how to throw it in the air and spin it to make a pizza, so. Let me see if I can use this as a roller. It works pretty good. I have no idea how thin to make this. All right, so there you go, one pizza dough. Now we're going to attempt to get it inside the Dutch oven. All right, let's put this thing in the pan. Wasn't too bad. All right, we got our crust in the coals. We'll get that browned up and we'll get back with you. All right, we got the dough all browned up. We're gonna go ahead and put on our toppings. I don't know, that probably took 10 minutes, maybe 15, probably 10. Put our sauce on there. We'll go ahead and throw our onions on. Scatter them out all over. All right, go ahead. All right, we're gonna throw on some mozzarella cheese. And we'll go ahead and put on pepperonis. Get them on there all good. We'll go back with another layer of Parmesan. My goodness, mozzarella, black olives to mix in there. All right, we'll get the top back on and we'll finish cooking it up. We'll be back as soon as it's done. All right, the bottom, I checked the bottom. The bottom's brown. I'm not going to go any further on the coals, so we'll just leave it setting like this with coals on the top, and we'll let it all get good and hot that way so the bottom don't get burnt. All right, here we go. One Dutch oven pizza inspired by Dome Life. All right, let's get this thing out of here if we can. Move the plate. All right, here's our Dome Life Dutch oven pepperoni pizza. Turned out, looks good, smells good. That's some good stuff. If you want to see some good outdoor camp cooking, go to Dome Life. They do awesome cooks. Pizza is definitely good. Until then, we'll see y'all down the road.